So Justin, you don't know this about me, but I'm a guy who irons a shirt and it looks worse afterwards than when he started. Same thing you say when I do windows. They become more streaked the more I try and clean them. So what is the trick, the cheat code to get streak-free windows?
So you're not the only one that has difficulty with that. I mean, both professionals and consumers always have that issue, right? And especially the windshield of all places, because it's the biggest piece of glass. Right. The wingspan that you have to get around to do. So something like, there's a lot of different glass cleaners, but something like the Blackfire gel glass cleaner is amazing. You have a lot of product management with this. When you spray it on the surface, being it's a gel, it actually clings the surface of the glass and it makes it easier. So having a premium glass cleaner product and then towels, you know, that is big because you're gonna need multiple towels, not just one towel. And I think that's where a lot of people tend to be unsuccessful with cleaning glass, is because they use one towel, flip it, and then try to finalize it and it's good.
I've been known to use the dirty towel that I just wiped the car with too. You know what I mean? So
I've seen that, yes.
I'm starting to see where I'm my own worst enemy with that sort of thing.
So 2 towels, and what we have here is we have a selection of 3. These are dedicated glass towels.
Okay.
So for example, with this one, we have the Cobra Waffle Weave, which is a very popular towel. And then we have the Speedmaster Diamond Weave towel. And then here's the newest addition, which is really nice, the Diamondite Carbon Fiber towel. Now the unique thing about this towel is it helps with promoting a streak-free finish, but also a static-free finish, being its carbon fiber.
Oh, nice. I mean, I can notice these all have kind of different textures too. This has got some weight to it, actually. That's pretty cool. What's the methodology behind that?
So this is something that I would probably find as more of a finalization towel. So your first towel would be to clean the surface with the glass cleaner, and then your second towel would finalize it to where it's a streak-free finish overall. So I usually like to use the best towel for the final towel, and in that case, that would be the Diamondite Carbon Fiber towel.
Okay.